Wow. Would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
I think he found something. Oh my God. A 62 Galaxie. Look at that rust. 40 years, still a classic. All right, 63 Galaxie. Wimbledon white, surface rust everywhere. Chrome is pitted, but the body looks... All right, here it is. It's solid, a big block FE. Needs work, but it's complete. A beast waiting to be brought back. Okay, Ford, 1962. Galaxie 500 XL. Matching numbers. That's it, it's real. Keep it slow, straight ahead.
Ready the straps, almost there.
Secured, we're ready to go. Severe pitting on the grille and fender. Additional paint oxidation on the rear door. Mechanical assessment required for suspension and engine.
All right, booth prepped, compressors charged, media's ready. The Galaxie awaits.
Time for the bumper.
Got the first bolt.
Careful with the trim, it needs to be saved.
Masking the glass now.
All right, bare metal, ready for the next step.
All right, mounts are off. Transmission is separated.
Wires are disconnected, chains are set. She's ready to pull. All right, tension's there.
Looks good.
Slow and steady, she's moving.
Clear the frame. Perfect. Keep that angle shallow on the curve.
All right, right up to the chrome.
Nice and even, don't rush it.
Perfect. All right, let's get this roof strip. Looking good, almost done with the Galaxie. Spec-taller transformation. Precision, every crevice. Get that rust. Oh. Clean and done. Perfect.
The Galaxie is ready. Perfect bare metal, no rust.
Ooh, that is incredible.
Phase 1 complete.
All right, first step is identifying the pitting. We'll mark the trouble spots on this Galaxie. Using the MIG welder now, filling these small...
Long strokes overlap the previous pass by half. That's the secret. Get it perfect now or it shows later.
The time has come. Wimbledon white perfection awaits.
All right, time for the final layers. Let's lock in that depth and shine.
Ultimate protection and gloss, just a masterpiece.
Excellent.
finished flawless, ready for final assembly. All right, let's see these parts. Wow, they've done a brilliant job. The mirror finish is perfect, ready for the Galaxie. All right, fits perfect. Next piece. Just a little tap there. Got it. Yes, that's exactly right. All right, easy does it. Perfect, down a bit. Out. Just a little adjustment, locked in. Well done. The finish on these covers is immaculate. Look at that reflection. Perfection. The perfect interior, every detail is spot on. This Galaxie is ready. Perfect alignment. Just need to tighten this one down.
Yes.
Yes, that's it. Completely finished. All right, big girl, time to wake up.
Come on, just a little bit more.
There, yes, she's turning over. It's happening.
Come on, baby. You can do it. There it is. Perfect. 40 years, worth it.
I told you it was possible. We brought her back. The 62 Galaxie is reborn.
Perfect. It's really perfect. Mission accomplished.